I practice. Let me say what I have in my mind. My name is Shyam Jinagal. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in Dr. Deepak Srivastava's laboratory at Gladstone Institutes. I grew up in northern part of India, a state called Haryana, which is well known for its sports culture and vibrant tradition. My academic journey started as an undergraduate at Kurukshetra University in Haryana, where I studied biotechnology. After that, I moved to Bangalore to pursue my master's and PhD at Indian Institute of Science. Both of these experiences played an important role in shaping my interest in science and helping me think more clearly about the kind of research I wanted to pursue. Toward the end of my PhD, when I began looking for the postdoctoral training in US, I wanted to find a place where I could continue exploring these biological questions, also could work on the problems which are directly relevant to the human diseases. During this process, I learned about the Gladstone Institutes and felt like a good fit for the kind of research I wanted to continue. So yes, that brought me to the Gladstone Institute. There are two main things that I would really like to emphasize when it comes to the Gladstone Institutes. First, Gladstone feels very community-oriented. There's a genuine sense of belonging here, and which makes it easy to settle in and do focus on your science. People are very open and collaborative, which makes you comfortable asking questions, sharing ideas, and even taking intellectual risks. The second thing that I'm constantly amazed by is the science we do here. The cutting-edge research environment really pushes you to ask tough questions, think deeper, and do your best science. My research focuses on understanding how the heart works when it's healthy and what goes wrong when the disease develops. In one of my main projects, I study aortic valve diseases. Aortic valves control the blood flow from the heart to the rest of the body. Under some circumstances like genetic changes or aging, these valves become stiff and narrow, which impact the blood flow and ultimately affects the heart function. So in my project, I try to understand how these changes affect these valves and how could we reverse these diseases. In parallel, I also work on cardiac regeneration, which is something very close to my heart. Unlike the other organs like skin and liver, the heart cells have very limited regenerative capacity. So in my project, I study why these cells lose their ability to repair after a certain age, and how can we introduce the cardiac regeneration in the adult heart. I was inspired to become a mentor through PUMAS program because I believe early guidance can have a lasting impact on student scientific journey. Coming from a background where the research opportunities were sometimes limited, I totally understand how important it is for a student to feel comfortable and confident early on. Rather than just teaching the techniques, I try to create an environment where the student feels more comfortable asking questions, making mistakes, and exploring the curiosity. PUMAS program has been very rewarding to me as it has further motivated me to do good science and help spreading the educational awareness within the broader community. Outside work, I try to keep things simple. I go to gym, I spend some time in nature, I follow sports, especially cricket, and I enjoy spending time with my friends and family. All of these things help me to stay balanced and connected to my roots. Namaste.